Hello everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do our class 9 English book of your Beehive book. Chapter number 1, The Fun They Had, which is written by Isaac Asimov. So in this chapter they are telling about the future schools or the future generation students kids knowledge. They are depending on that. What happened? If we talk about the characteristics and the characters of this chapter, so they are two kids that are Margie and Tommy. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. So what happened? One day Margie has written in her diary. In her diary she has written that Tommy found a real book. Real book, they are referring to a book with the printed pages, as if I say that this is your book and you having some printed pages like this. So they have founded a book like this. Then what happened? That after they found this book, they are liking it. It is so funny book because they haven't seen the book like a printed book, and her grandfather tell that in the previous age when you are not over here, the stories are written in these printed books only. So what happened? Why they found the book very funny? They found it very funny because the letters are stood still on it. But what happened? They are the education, they are like a future generation school. So what happened? The books they are studying everything by e-text. Okay, they are studying everything by e-text. E-text, what is the meaning of e-text? What is really mean by it? E-text means the book that used in the, if we form it as that you are, this is a board. Okay, the letters are coming by their own, that this is the letters that are coming by own, they are getting rubbed by their own and they are again writing by their own. So this was the e-text. Okay, they are getting, they don't have the pressures to fall it like this, they don't have to turn the pages, they don't have to scroll it. That was the that, as if you see the news, there was the headline that come, it was referring to the death of the e-text. Now what happened? They have found this very funny about it. Now what happened, that their father, means the Tommy, was reading this book. Okay, and he was telling that what's a book like this? The book is very old. Okay, the book is very old, it having the crinkles. What is the meaning of crinkle? The book having the folds and lines. Okay, when you turn the pages like this, they having some fold, so that was having. Now what happened? After it, Tommy was saying it, and Tommy was saying that I having a million of book in my computer screen. I don't throw it away. Then why this book was found? Then Margie was also comparing to her. She was saying that yes, and she was very literally small by Tommy. That's what she saying, that how do you read these kinds of books and how you read the very much books. Okay, and then what happened? Margie asked by Tommy that what you read. Okay, Margie asked by Tommy that what you astonishingly read. Okay, then what happened? After that day, Margie was very enraged. Okay, and that's what happened, that Tommy was reading that book. Okay, he is reading that book. Then Margie asked that what is the book about? What is the book that is written in it? Then he has told that it's about school. Then Margie was really astonished. School? Why anyone write about school? Because she hates the school very much. Why did she hate the school? She hates the school because of her geographical teacher. Her geographical teacher always give her the test. Okay, and again he is giving her test and she is performing very bad. She was not scoring good marks. That's why she hates the school very most. Now, and after that what happened, that Margie's performance was really sad, so her mother called the county inspector and he fixed the machine and he fixed the robotic teacher. Okay. And after that day, Margie was reading about the robotic teacher. He is having the robotic teacher to tell. And what happened after it, when Margie was reading about the schools, when she is reading about the schools, and that was happened. Then she was very astonished. And then what happened, her robotic teacher, what happened that her robotic teacher level was very up. If you talk about Margie is only 11 years old, and the level of robotic teacher is of 15 to 16 years old. That was not referring over in your book, but I am telling it, it was according to it. Okay. Then Margie mother called the county inspector to fix it. That county inspector gave settle out Margie head, and he has given the apple to her. Then she smiles and she was happy that now they will take the robotic teacher from here and I will rest for a month. But she don't know that the county inspector know how to fix it, so she don't know about it. But the county inspector fixed it in 1 minute or an hour. He has fixed it, and after it, what happened? After fixing it, there was a very astonished thing that happened. She was very sad about it. Okay, she was very sad, and that's how she said that why they are coming so soon. Because what happened that once upon a time, what happened, Tommy mechanical teacher was also misunderstanding. What happened that the robotic teacher the history teacher of a robotic teacher of history, the history that store in your mobile, that was blanked out. Then that's why what happened that they have to take that for a month, so that it was happens to fix it, because it takes a lot of time. Then that's why she's asking that why they are coming so soon. Then the county inspector tell her mother that it's not Margie's fault, it's all fault about the mechanical teacher. That's what happened about the Margie. Okay. And then Margie was again, she goes to Tommy and she is reading the book that what's happened. Then he asks Tommy that what was written in it about school. They are saying that there was a building of the special, there was a special building for reading, and there the teacher was a man. There was a man who study all the students. Okay. And then she, I will not allow any of the strange person to come and teach in my home. Then he's saying, no, there was no special person. They won't come into our school. All the children and all the teachers go to a special building, and when they all go over here, they have to study in the special building, and the teacher asks the question, they perform well about it. And then Margie asked it, and after some times what happened that there was a time when Margie has their class. And where is her classroom? Her thing that this was a house, and there was 2 rooms like this. This is Margie's bedroom. Okay, and just behind it over here, Margie having her classroom, or we can say it as school room. Okay, then her mother called that it was a time to come. It's your school time. That when Margie say, Mom, please wait for a while, I come into 5 minutes. You all say, Mom, please wait, I have to play more. That's Margie also say. Then what happened? After it, her mother saying, no, it's time for Tommy's too. So Tommy is also going to the school. So he has taken her book and he has put it into her arm like this, and he was whistling and go to her home. And then there was one more thing that was coming, and that was Margie were also asking Tommy that where did you find this book. So he's saying that I found this book on the ethic. What is the ethic means? Ethic means that a house, think that this is my house. Okay, if I pull it up, that think out that this is my house. Okay, and after it there was some space over here. Over here that was some space. So the space left in before it, that was known as ethic. And when he is cleaning her grandfather cupboard, he has found that book. Now one more thing that happened when Margie mother called her, then he asked Tommy, can I read this book with you after some time when I end my class? Then he say, maybe. He has say yes, maybe if I can give you or not. So he has say maybe, means chance. So that was happened. What happened in this story? And then Margie go to her classroom, or if you can say her classroom he go, and he talking about the mechanical teacher. And after he has put her homework, the screen flash, and there was coming that please put your homework in the slot, in the proper slot. So she has put her homework in the slot, and she has put her homework in the slot by a pin, which as we can say it as punch code. There was a special punch code. Okay, by that Margie has to fill her homework or test in the slot, and Margie understand this how to put it in the age of 6. In the age of 6, she study that how to put the punch code into a mechanical teacher. And after it, when she go to it, then the screen flash, and when he's put the homework, he has the mechanical teacher again flash her screen, and the today's topic is arithmetic, and he has to do the addition fraction. That was a topic. And after it, Margie is thinking that how the children are playing with each other, how they are enjoying. So this is about all about our today's topic. This is all about the fun they had. So question answers I have sent it off this chapter. So this was the introduction in very less time. So I hope you get this. If you like the video, like it, subscribe and share. Thank you.